Looking for a creative and fun way to ask a girl out or surprise her on a special day? Homemade flowers are cheap, interesting, adorable, and can show that you care. 1. Cut the paper into 5.5 by 2.5 strips. If working with standard 8 inches by 11 inches sheets, cut it once widthwise and twice lengthwise to obtain 6 appropriately sized strips, which is enough for 2 flowers. Part 1. Folding the paper. 1. Take one strip and fold the top about an inch down. The strip of paper should now appear to be only 4.5 inches, 11.4 centimeters long. 2. Fold the corners of this side in so that the 2 corners meet. Both corners should be folded in so that they meet on the center line of the strip and come down about as far as the original fold. 3. Turn the strip around and repeat the previous step. You should now have a strip of paper about 3.5 inches, 8.9 centimeters, in length from tip to tip, with each end folded into an isosceles triangle. 4. Take the strip and fold the sides in about 1/2 inch each. 5. Fold the paper in half lengthwise so that there are still points on both ends. 6. Repeat these steps 3 more times. You should have 3 similarly shaped pieces of paper which will form the petals for your first flower. Part 2. Assembling the flower. 1. Take one of the pieces of paper you have just folded and place it on a green pipe cleaner. It should be about an inch from the top of the pipe cleaner so that the paper opens towards the top of the pipe cleaner. 2. Fold the pipe cleaner down over the paper and twist the pipe cleaner under the paper so that the paper is held snugly by the pipe cleaner. 3. Insert the other 2 pieces of paper into the pipe cleaner so that they face the same way as the first paper. 4. Open up the petals by inserting your fingers into the openings and pressing down so that the petals spread out.